We are making cookies today. We're gonna make amazing, amazing cookies. Let's get started. And the first thing we're gonna do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, we need 1 1/3 cups of butter, which is 2 sticks and 5 tablespoons of butter, softened, unsalted. Okay, we need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup. Just put it right in with our butter. Okay, we added our sugar and our butter, and we're going to mix it first. So now we're going to add in 3 egg whites. I'm going to try to anyway. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, got it. It's kind of a chilly day here today. Seems like nothing wants to work right. That didn't go as planned. Having a bad day. So now we need 3 egg whites, and we are just going to separate our eggs. If they ever separate. I hope everyone is ready for Christmas, because I am not. Oh my gosh. Not a thing done. Nothing. Don't even have a Christmas tree up. Nothing. And it is the middle. What is today? Today is the 11th. You're seeing this video today because I'm doing it this morning, and I'm going to upload it today. Okay, so we have 3 egg whites, 3 large egg whites. And I'm going to save Chloe, my little doggy, the yolks. She loves eggs. We have that done. And now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we need 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we're just going to mix it up a little bit. And now we're going to need 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put it right in. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And if you put a little bit more in, it's okay. Now we need a 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, and you do want to make sure that it's just a 1/2, because almond extract can be a wow factor. Okay, now we are going to do 3 2/3 cup of flour. We'll go ahead and put in the 2/3 cup first. We're going to just mix it up. Now we're going to put in the 2 cups. Now I can't remember, was that 3 cups? Have I got to I got to go rewind my video, because I think I need 1 more cup. Let me go find out. Okay, I need 1 more cup. I rewound it, okay? I'm glad I did that. So it's 3 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, let's scrape down our bowl. How many have been right in the middle of making something and couldn't remember? Okay guys, we're making something super special. We are making Crumbl sugar cookies. We are. So we're gonna take, and we're just gonna start, we're gonna fill a 1/2 cup up of the dough into a 1/2 cup measuring cup. Okay, let's go ahead and get these out of the paper. So we're just going to pattern them out like little mounds. I love a Crumbl cookie. Love, love, love them, okay? My son loves a Crumbl cookie, okay? We love them. But we can't afford them, okay? Just can't afford them. So we can make them. Okay. Just going to kind of pat them out, make sure they're good and round. So we are making Crumbl sugar cookies my way. They're so good. Okay, make sure they're good and round. I'm gonna stick these in the fridge for like 5 minutes while I get another sheet pan out. Okay, these are gonna be huge. We're gonna put these in 350 degrees for 13 minutes. They will be pale. Crumbl cookies are blonde on the bottom. They are not, don't really have a lot of color on the bottom. That's what they're known for. And I love that. That's why I love Crumbl cookies. So I double my sheet pans, and then that way I do not get a dark, dark cookie. Okay guys, guess what we're making? We're making buttercream icing because we are going to put an icing on these sugar cookies. So we're going to make our own buttercream frosting. 1 cup of softened butter. 1 cup of powdered sugar. And we need 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. 2 tablespoons. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And a 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. Remember, we don't want much. And we want about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just a little bit. I always get it wrong. Okay, we're just going to kind of get our buttercream, scrape our bowl a little bit. We got our buttercream all ready to go. Buttercream icing done. All we need is those cookies. And then we're gonna have to let them cool. Isn't that just a bummer? Our air conditioner froze and it was so cold in so the air conditioner guy, you just heard somebody knocking on my door, it was the air conditioner guy, Tappy, and he is gonna fix my air conditioner. Did I say air conditioner? Heater. I'm telling you guys, the air went out, the dishwasher went out, heat went out. The heat went out, the dishwasher went out, and my car coolant has gone out. So we are just in a crisis around here, and I'm making cookies. That is the best thing to do. When you're in a crisis, make a cookie. Okay, are we going to put any food coloring in these cookies? Of course we are. We're not going to make a Crumbl cookie that's not pink. We're going to make the sugar cookie with pink icing. If I can find food coloring, I don't know what I did with it. I found black food coloring. I don't think that's quite the same. I think I'm going to have to run to Beulaville, and when some cookies come out, I'm going to run to Beulaville and get some pink food coloring so I can make pink icing. I can't believe it. Why would I start? I really thought I had some. I did find sprinkles. The other day I couldn't find sprinkles. Today I found sprinkles. I guess we could do white icing with the sprinkles, but I don't want to do that. I want the pink. Okay, I found some. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness. I need a little bit of red. I'm just gonna put just a touch in so to turn pink, just to like a little dot. I'm gonna see if it turns it pink. Oh no. Oh, it is, it's turning pink. For a minute there, I thought it was gonna be red. No, it's pink. They don't disappoint, okay? These cookies do not disappoint. Okay, I always take like a little, I'm using a measuring cup today, and you put it on there and you stir it around a little bit, and they become perfectly round. A Crumbl cookie is round and light on the bottom. And you just kind of just do little circles. As our cookies are cool, and now we are going to start icing them. We just kind of layer them on. That good old buttercream. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to put a little bit of sprinkles on mine. Oh my. Make your own Crumbl cookie. I gave the air conditioner guy a cookie. It was a little warm, but he took it. I personally just love Crumbl cookies. Okay guys, we got to try our Crumbl cookie. Y'all, that's so good. That is better than a Crumbl cookie. I want to say thank you for watching, for commenting, for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen. You are the best audience on YouTube. You are kind and loving. And I want to say thank you. I have received so many gifts. I want to show you some of the gifts. You guys, I'm going to have to put in the comments not to send me gifts, because you guys are just so kind. You just make me cry. Look what somebody sent me, a beautiful little rocking chair with the cutest little chair pad. Isn't that not adorable? Christmas in heaven, what do? They come down to earth and spend time with you. To save them a seat, just one empty chair. You may not see them, but you know they'll be there. A rocking chair rocks all by itself. Somebody sent me a food chopper. How awesome! But guys, somebody sent me a beautiful beautiful book, your card. Someone sent me a beautiful bracelet. Is that not gorgeous? It's got little cupcakes on it and a little F, like for Fran. And then someone sent me a cordless hand mixer. I don't want to seem ungrateful. I went to the post office and they told me that I've got to go check my P.O. box because it's overflowing. I guess I'm just not, I'm always shocked that you guys would take the time to send me a gift or to spend your hard-earned money on me. And I want to say thank you so much. But I also want to say, I don't want to say I don't want your gifts because I appreciate them. They're just so wonderful, but you don't have to spend your money on me. Just watch and comment. Your kind comments mean the world to me. I love that you send me the hand chopper, but that you think about me. It literally blows me away. You guys are the kindest, sweetest, lovingest audience on YouTube. I just don't know what to say. I'm shocked by all the cards and the letters. This is just some of the cards. And I want to say thank you. You are the kindest, sweetest audience on YouTube. I just share with the food banks. There's so much need out there today. I don't want to be ungrateful, but I don't want to be ungrateful sounding, but we can share with food banks, and I just don't know what to say. I don't know how to act at all your kindness. You're just the loveliest people. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. I had to pick that big old giant Crumbl cookie up, and this is all I got left so far. Am I going to eat it? Yes, I'm going to eat it. They're so good.